Alright, hey everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create fast shortcuts to access all your crypto related resources such as Twitter, Zapper, Etherscan, as well as tools like Nansen and Rarity tools. By the end of the video, you'll be able to customize shortcuts for your own favorite sites. While this tutorial covers the Alfred app on macOS, there are Windows-based alternatives such as Wox and Launchy. I'll provide links in the description below for all the different applications. So, first of all, Alfred is a simple and lightweight app that allows you to search and browse files both on your computer and online. Let's get started with a few examples. The first one we'll cover is Twitter, which is now widely used within the crypto industry for discovering news and, of course, finding all your latest memes. We can create shortcuts to all your favorite crypto Twitter influencers so you stay up to date. Do you want to see if Coinbase's NFT exchange is live yet? We can type T Coinbase to jump straight to their page. Or maybe you want to read Punk6529's latest tweet storm. Let's check out T Punk6529. So how does this exactly work? I created a keyword hotkey that is binded to the character T for Twitter. Then I created a query parameter where the text typed immediately following the T character would be inserted at the end of the web URL. Let's open up Alfred to see how to do this. You can activate Alfred by pressing the Option plus space buttons on your keyboard. We can right-click the search bar and head over to Preferences. Click on the Features tab and then select Web Searches. We can see the list of all available keyword shortcuts as well as create our very own. For the Twitter example, we simply pasted the Twitter URL with the text query wrapped in curly brackets as a variable for the text that would follow our keyword search. I like to keep my keywords as short as possible so they are easy and fast to type. As long as the URL is consistent and only depends on one changing variable, such as someone's Twitter handle, it's very easy to create an Alfred shortcut. Let's take a look at some other examples, focusing specifically on crypto resources. For Zapper, we can use the keyword Z and then have the query variable on a specific 0x address. Do note in this example, you can also type in their ENS as the query parameter, for example, vitalik.eth. This will allow you to quickly jump and view the assets and NFTs of that particular profile. This also works great in combination with Nansen's Wallet Profiler tool. If you haven't tried out Nansen yet, I highly recommend testing out their 7-day trial. Nansen's Wallet Profiler can give more detailed descriptions regarding a specific address, such as whether it belongs to a firm or if it has any other interesting labels attached. I'll create a separate video entirely on all the neat things you can do with Nansen. Etherscan is another great tool we can create shortcuts for. I'll use the keyword E and have the address formatted so the query parameter takes in the specific 0x address. Now, if you ever come across an address you want more information on, you can quickly launch 3 shortcuts to open up Zapper, Etherscan, and Nansen all very rapidly. Now, for NFT lovers, you can play around with Rarity tools, which is a great website that helps collectors determine the rarity of specific NFTs. Let's use Bored Ape Yacht Club for our example. We can bind a hotkey for the Bored Ape Yacht Club and quickly find the rarity of an ape based on their ID number. Pretty convenient if you're busy scanning OpenSea and want to see the stats of a particular ape. Lastly, a super useful hotkey is to bookmark your favorite gas tracking site. I've bound the keyword gas to Etherscan's gas tracker, which allows me to spot check prices before sending any transaction. For this latest example, we only used the gas hotkey and did not need to have a following query parameter. Now that we've gone over several examples, you should have a good idea which sites you use the most and whether shortcuts can be created to make your workflow more productive. If you have a favorite hotkey and website, go ahead and share the alpha by posting it in the comments below. I'll create more tips and guides for the crypto community, so if you enjoyed this video, feel free to like and subscribe. For more short bits, you can also follow my Twitter under the same name at 10xray. Thanks, and see you next time.